Okay, so right now I'm getting ready for a fishing trip with my family. Um, and I'm just going over some things. And this here, my scale, is low on batteries. It's low. Now, some people say if it's low on batteries, the weight's off. But they're always saying their fish is bigger than it actually is. So I'm going to prove today that that is a myth. Okay? You always trust your scales. If you don't trust your scale, what's the point of weighing the fish? Okay, right here I have the scale with the low battery. Right there I have a pack of fresh batteries. Right here I have there's a drill and an extension cord in there. I don't know. So first thing I'm gonna do is turn this on. See how it's flashing? Pounds and ounces. Okay, this is the low battery. Let's see if you can see. Like, you see the battery is low. It's like 3 years old. Okay, so we're going to take and weigh this. Then we're going to replace the battery and see if it weighs the same. Okay, this is 4 pounds 7 ounces. Okay, this is the old battery. This is the new battery. I'm gonna try and change them. Let's see, I'm gonna take this one out, pop the cap off. Okay, the battery's in there. Put the door on. Now let's kick it on. Okay, it's flashing pounds and ounces. Let's see. See, there's no battery symbol. This is the fresh battery. Okay, let's see how much it weighs. The other one was 4 pounds 7 ounces, and this one is 4 pounds 7 ounces. So there you have it. It's exactly the same. Old versus new. So if somebody gives you that BS about a small or a dead battery, it's not true. I mean, if it's dead, the scale just wouldn't work. So, I mean, people weigh fish and they're like, oh, this fish looks a lot bigger. The scale must be broken. No. Just get you a good quality scale and trust the scale. If the scale says the fish weighs 2 pounds, the fish weighs 2 pounds. You can't say the fish weighs 3.5. Oh, but the scale only says 2. The batteries are low and it's a 3.5 pound fish. That's not working. It's a 2 pound fish. That's what the scale says. Go with the scale. Just my 2 cents.